today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide sections from mobile in Elementor. This is a great way to ensure that your website looks clean and professional on all devices, making sure that your content is both user-friendly and visually appealing whether it's viewed on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Elementor editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Elementor editor, navigate to the page where you want to hide a particular section on mobile. Scroll through your page until you find the section that you feel may not work well on a smaller screen. Now, this could be due to several reasons, like the section being too large, maybe it's unnecessary on a mobile device, or it could clutter the user experience. Whatever the reason, keeping your design clean and focused will vastly improve the navigation for mobile users. Now, click on the section you'd like to hide. You'll see a small set of buttons across the top of the section. Among these buttons is the Edit Section option, represented by a blue icon. This is your ticket to modifying how this section behaves on mobile devices. Click on the Edit Section button to open up the settings on the left-hand panel. Next, within the Settings panel, look for the Advanced tab. It's located right next to the Content and Style tabs at the top. Upon clicking it, you'll discover a plethora of settings you can tweak, but today we're interested in the section labeled Responsive. Once in the Responsive section, you'll notice options for visibility. This is where you get to decide how this section appears or doesn't across different devices. Here, you'll find 3 toggle switches: hide on desktop, hide on tablet, and, most importantly for our purpose, hide on mobile. Toggle the hide on mobile option to on. This action will ensure that when users visit your site from a mobile device, the section you selected will not be visible to them. It's crucial to understand why hiding sections for mobile is so beneficial. Mobile visitors often seek quick information and simplified navigation. By removing sections that may not translate well to the smaller screen, you're creating a much better user experience, which can lead to longer visit durations and higher conversion rates. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel to make sure all your changes are stored. You can also preview how your modifications will appear on mobile by switching to the responsive mode in Elementor and selecting the mobile icon. This preview is a great way to ensure everything looks and functions as intended before your changes go live. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a section from mobile devices using Elementor. By making adjustments like these, you're one step closer to having a website that not only captures attention but functions seamlessly across all devices. Keep experimenting and optimizing, and your users will surely thank you for it.